Solving trig equations. This particular equation, we're asked to solve over the interval of 0 to 360. And that's interval notation, meaning that we're not including 0 as one of the angles. That's just kind of the limit. But we are including 360, so 360 could be an answer. To solve a trig equation, it's a lot like solving an equation where if we had 2x minus 1 equals 0, we'd want to get x alone. Solving a trig equation, you want to get the trig expression alone. You want to get sine theta alone. Some people do like to treat this like a regular equation where I'm going to substitute this for x. I'm going to make this 2x minus 1 equals 0. I'm going to let sine theta equal x. And then solving x here is a very basic equation. Add 1 on both sides. 2x equals 1. Divide by 2. X equals 1/2. Now I'm going to convert back to sine theta is 1/2. Now, that's a lot of it, but that's not quite the answer because I want to know what angle are we talking about. That's why we're saying between 0 and 360. So I have here a function and a ratio. So really I want to know, what's the angle? I'm missing the angle, and I could let my calculator do a lot of this for me. Basically, I'm looking at arc sine 1/2 equals theta. Where is sine 1/2? And this is a basic value you probably know. It's 30 degrees, but I'll show you that your calculator will do that for you too. That second sine is how we do arc sine or inverse sine of 1/2. 1 divided by 2, or 0.5 also works. We get it's 30 degrees. And now this is an angle that you should have memorized, but theta is 30 degrees. The problem is a lot of people get there and stop. Now that's correct, that's part of the answer, but it's not the whole answer. Again, we're talking about here. There's almost always two answers. And so you need to ask yourself, all right, where else is sine 1/2? Well, first of all, we're talking about positive 1/2. So it's got to be in quadrant 2. And we know reference angles in quadrant 2 are 180 minus theta. So 180 minus what gives me that 30 degrees? 150. So theta is 30 degrees and 150 degrees.